In this video, we listed the 5 best AliExpress drone that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. RG101 Pro Drone. The RG101 Pro Drone is a feature-packed quadcopter designed for aerial photography, equipped with a 2-axis gimbal and dual HD cameras. It boasts advanced functions such as GPS return to home, intelligent tracking via GPS and mobile app, gesture photo recognition, multi-point route planning, fixed-point orbiting, and MV features for video editing. The drone is powered by a brushless motor and a smart lithium battery, offering a flight time of around 25 minutes and a control distance of up to 1,000 meters. With a 5G frequency and a camera capable of capturing 1920*1080p video and 7680*4320p photos, this drone is suitable for outdoor use and comes with various accessories including a remote controller, batteries, charger, and more. The RG101 Pro Drone is designed for users aged 14 and above, offering a blend of functionality and performance for both beginners and expert operators. Number 2. Z908 4K Quadcopter. The 4K obstacle avoidance aerial photography drone boasts advanced features such as intelligent multidirectional obstacle avoidance technology, 4K high-definition dual cameras, and intelligent hovering positioning, making it easy to operate and capture stunning footage. Equipped with 12 core advantages including optical flow hover, 50x zoom, mobile phone control, and gesture-based photo, video capture, this drone ensures a seamless flying experience. The drone's foldable design enhances portability, while features like low battery alarm and 360-degree stunt capabilities add to its versatility. With APP multifunction control, users can enjoy HD image transmission and real-time video editing. The drone's long battery life, 50x zoom shooting capabilities, and 360-degree stunt options make it an ideal choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 3. Xiaomi S2S 8K Drone. The Mini S2S 8K 5G GPS Professional HD Aerial Photography Dual Camera Quadrotor is a compact and advanced drone equipped with various features for capturing high-quality aerial footage. It incorporates a pressure sensor for altitude setting, optical flow localization for precise positioning, and brushless motors for efficient operation. The drone boasts an 8K HD camera with self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization, offering clear and stable footage. With features like gesture shooting, customizable routes via the app, and obstacle avoidance technology, it provides a user-friendly experience. The drone's long-lasting lithium battery, extended control distance of 8,000 m, and 5 GHz anti-interference technology ensure reliable performance. Additionally, the package includes spare propellers, a remote control, and a USB charging cable, making it a comprehensive aerial photography solution. The drone's lightweight design and compact size make it suitable for various aerial photography applications, while its advanced features like omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and long battery life cater to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 4. Z908 Pro MAX Drone. The product is a feature-rich drone with various configuration parameters such as a 2.4 GHz remote control with 4 channels, made of plastic, metal, and electronic components, adjustable camera with a 148 degrees range, available in gray or black colors, equipped with a 816 motor model, left-hand throttle remote control mode, providing a flight time of around 15 minutes, and a remote control distance of 200 m. The drone comes with a 3.7V 2000 mAh battery, USB charging, and a compact body size of 25 by 25 by 5 cm. It includes functions like one-key takeoff, landing, 360 degrees roll, headless mode, and camera features such as 4K video resolution and various photography modes. The package contains the drone, remote control, battery, USB cable, protective frame, spare parts, manuals, and a storage bag. It weighs 138 g and is suitable for users aged 14 and above. The drone offers aerial photography capabilities and is controlled via an app, providing a comprehensive and enjoyable flying experience. Number 5. S132 RC Drone. The S132 HD camera drone is a specially designed toy drone for children, combining fun and exploration with its built-in 720p HD camera for capturing adventures. Easy to operate with one-key takeoff and landing, this drone is ideal for beginners and kids. Safety is ensured with eco-friendly materials and a foldable design for convenient travel. The drone offers a flight time of around 12 minutes, a control range of up to 80 meters, and a 720p camera resolution. Safety guidelines include clear flying environments, parental supervision, and limiting flying time to prevent eye fatigue. Customers can enjoy a special offer with a discounted price and a plush toy gift using the promo code KIDSDRONE. The Spectra Kids Explorer aims to be more than just a toy drone, fostering exploration and learning for children in technology and nature.